Hello dear all. In my last video, I demonstrated the conduction of unit test having subjective questions only. The sample question paper for the mock unit test which I had tested, I have given it in the description box of my YouTube channel. So you can refer that question paper there. So today I will be explaining the conduction of unit test having both subjective and objective questions. So let us start. So again I am making use of the same test team which I have prepared. The name is my new test team. So I have opened that team, my new test team. From that I will go to the assignments tab. So here in the assignments tab, just you can see the second mock test which is assigned to this team. The name is mock unit test ISEE. So just I will show you one sample mock test conducted by me on this team, and then again we will see how to assign the test through quiz option. So just see here. So here to grade 10 and graded 0. So all these 10 students are to be graded. So now just so let us say, suppose Bhosle Aditi, she has turned in, so and some 11 points or 11 marks she has got. Now I will show you her answer sheet. So just go to this option. Yeah, so just see here uh, the all details are given. So name of that student, time to complete. So how much time she needed to complete the test, 21 minutes, and points or the marks also here you can see she has got 11 marks out of 15. So our focus of this question paper is we are mixing both subjective and objective type of questions. So objective type of questions, I think there is no problem. So you can easily frame it, no problem. The facility is there in MS Quiz. So you must have tried it also. So I am not explaining that how to prepare a quiz. My focus is just how to assign that quiz to the your class team. So this is a sample quiz I have prepared for my ISE course. So first question is a subjective type of question. State and explain in brief any four challenges of a CIO, and in bracket I have written type your answers in the following text box. So that student has typed this answer in the text box, but you can see here in red, it is written in red color that needs review. Means that you will have to go through or review this answer, and then you are expected to write or give the points to that particular student. Suppose I give her 3 marks or 3 points out of 4 after reading her answer. So just see now the points have increased like 14. So suppose I give her only 2 points, so the overall marks she is getting is 13. So only first question for testing I have kept it as a subjective. You can and rest of the questions I have kept objective, just to MCQs, just to click Students need to just click the answer. So you can blend as per your requirement. Just it is a sample test. I hope it is clear. So like this, you can see uh, every student details. So review next. Next is Prachi Wagh. Time to complete is 28 minutes she needed. So the question paper was for half an hour of 15 marks. So like this. She also had, the student had typed these things. Then I will read this. So first points, see the points, 11 points she has got. So after reading, suppose I will give you 3 marks. So she will get 14 marks out of 15 for her unit test. Like this you can evaluate. And here you can see the questions. So now this is the tested thing. Okay, so now I will show you again how to assign the quiz. So if you see here, this is your whole class. So just these are the points here, 15, 12, 15. These are the points or the marks for MCQ type of questions, objective. And for subjective, you will have to review, obviously. You will have to read that answer and give the marks. Just now we had seen in the fashion, just now we had seen. And then only you can give the final marks to the students. So this is how it is a blending of both subjective and objective questions. So this test, second test, it is tested on my mock team. So now I will show you live how to demonstrate how to create the test. Again, we are using the same assignment tab and create option. So instead of assignment, now we will go to the quiz option. So I am assuming that quiz already you know, and you have already prepared the quiz by blending both subjective and objective questions. So I will show you some mock unit test. Suppose. So now here I have assigned it. So in the similar fashion, just like we have uploaded the question paper through add resources tab. So here we are assigning the quiz from the assignment tab, but with the quiz option. So now it has come into our class team. It is yet to be scheduled or pre-scheduled. Is it? So points also have come here. The test team name also it is here, and again due date I can set here. Same thing we will have to do. So test is on Monday, suppose, and again I am setting the due date as, suppose, to due date, so 3 p.m. So here exactly 3 p.m. You can set, because there is no scanning and uploading overhead to the students. So within that particular hour, that is 2 to 3, they will have to select the answers or type the answers. So here in this option, instead of writing the answers, the students are expected to type the answers. That's why I am keeping the due date as 3, due date and due time as 3 only. I am not giving 10 minutes extra. But here one thing I would like to suggest you that so while framing the questions, subjective type of questions with quiz, you should frame the questions in such a manner that the answers should be the answers to that question should be very precise. And suppose, let us say, 4 marks. Just now I had shown you one question. So question was state the challenges of CIO. any 4 challenges of CIO. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So for 4 marks, students should be able to type the answer in that text box in a precisely. So the answers to those questions should be predictable and precise. So like this care we can take, and then we can easily frame the questions both subjective and objective using this quiz option. And again the same in a similar fashion we will pre-schedule it. So you already know it, so you can pre-schedule it. So it is, I am giving here the time as 2 p.m. I am pre-scheduling it and I am closing it at 3. So assignment will post on Monday, August 24. That is the day on which the test is scheduled at 2 p.m. and is due on Monday, August 24 at 3 p.m. So late turn-ins are not allowed. So at in this particular slot only, the students will have to either type or select the questions, select the answers. So done. And after that, you go select this schedule option. So this is how you can schedule the unit test question paper, including both subjective and objective type questions. So just see here, it has reflected mock unit test ISE due tomorrow at 3 p.m. So that is the end from my side. So I have shown you how to pre-schedule the test, whether it is a quiz or whether it is a purely subjective question paper, through my these videos. So uh, that is the end from my side. Thank you.